Dewalt is one of the leading brands in the power tool industry, as they're bringing the latest technologies and more robust construction. However, Dewalt is dominating both the corded and cordless fields at the same time. So in today's video, we'll show you the 5 best Dewalt power tools that are worth checking out. So without further ado, let's dive in.
From DIY projects to product reviews and hacks, Tool Zone is where we test all sorts of gear to offer the most unbiased reviews you'll find anywhere, so that you can make well-informed purchase decisions while avoiding getting ripped off.
Starting, we have the Dewalt DCS382B, a high-performing reciprocating saw that provides standout cutting power and maneuverability needed by pros for challenging projects. This cordless tool is equipped with a stout brushless motor that packs the muscle for various applications with optimized cutting efficiency. Plus, you can make quick cuts on multiple surfaces with a 1 1/8 inch stroke length of this saw to be productive throughout the day. Also, the lightweight tool has a quick blade changing mechanism that keeps workflow flawless, and featuring a 2-finger variable speed trigger that provides ultimate control over individual applications. Moreover, the pivoting shoe of this tool maintains stabilization during the operation, and the compact design ensures seamless mobility around the job site. With the onboard LED, this reciprocating saw brightens the low-light areas and keeps you well going through the whole project, making it the worthiest option to choose. Eliminate all the concerns of heavy-duty drilling and get this Dewalt D253-33K, a lightweight rotary hammer kit with unparalleled speed and low vibration for working all day. This professional-grade hammer features a durable German-engineered hammering mechanism that delivers a maximum of 3.5 joules of impact energy to meet all the contractor's needs. Plus, it has a wide optimal drilling range between 3/16 and 7/8 inches to offer you a single hammer solution. With the shock's active vibration control, you'll get a vibrationless feel when drilling over the hardest concrete and get the project done with less fatigue. Also, you can make this tool an OSHA Table 1 compliant solution by pairing it with the DWH304DH onboard dust extractor. To summarize, this Dewalt D253-33K outshines itself as the pro-level hammer kit due to standout speed, anti-vibration technology, and hitting powers, which can be an ideal product to invest in. Now check out the Dewalt DCG440B, a highly constructed angle grinder with the best-in-class qualities that bring the best outcomes to surfaces with cordless convenience. This grinding tool produces up to 30% more torque with a max output of 3 horsepower and a maximum speed of 6,500 RPM to handle the most challenging jobs. Packed with a 60-volt max battery technology, it offers a huge runtime to complete various metal and concrete grinding or cutting projects. It also features the e-clutch system to immediately shut down the motor, meaning you'll get ultimate safety when working through challenging situations. Additionally, the kickback brake system, versatile pipeline grip gear case cover, and other convenient features will make the working experience favorable. So add this Dewalt DCG440B to power through all the heavy load grinding jobs with confidence and make them as easy as ABC. At number 2, here comes the Dewalt DWE7491X, an ideal table saw to deal with a variety of wood-cutting applications like plywood, hardwoods, dimensional lumber, trim, etc. The table saw is equipped with a powerful 15-amp motor and has up to 32.5-inch rip capacity to easily cut a variety of larger shelving and trim materials. With a rack and pinion telescoping fence system, you can make fence adjustments fast, smooth, and accurate, while the 2-position flip-over rip fence will allow you to do narrow rip cuts. This table saw has a 3 1/8 inch cutting depth at 90 degrees and 2 1/4 inch at a 45-degree angle. Besides, the folding scissor stand allows quick setup and breakdown with ultimate stability. Moreover, you can easily store a riving knife, miter gauge, wrenches, and many more accessories on this table saw, as it comes with an onboard storage system. All things considered, this Dewalt table saw is a great solution for cutting heavy and thick materials around the job site and provides excellent stability for the final result. Last but not least, we have the Dewalt DCD 800P1, a heavy-duty cordless drill driver built for professional-grade performance with enormous drilling power. Equipped with a high-output brushless motor, this drill tackles challenging tasks with up to 40% more unit watts of power and delivers up to 2,000 RPM of speed. Packed with a 20-volt 5-amp-hour battery, it offers substantial runtime to cover up all regular jobs, and its compact size makes it easy to operate even in confined areas. With the half-inch metal ratcheting chuck, you can do high bit retention, while the 3-modes LED produces 70 lumens to brighten up the low-light areas. From a DIYer to a pro, anyone can rely on this Dewalt DCD 800P1 as it holds superior power, robust construction, and handy design to live up to all requirements. So that was the list of the 5 best Dewalt power tools just for you.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we missed a product or should add it, we would love to know.
Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.